Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we again will work on the perspective, since for the short-term trading right now I do not see any really interesting setups on the market. But what we could get in the nearest future is really very thrilling situations on different currencies. Already we have two of them. So one of them is the Canadian dollar, and it already stands in progress and is gradually is moving to our targets 134.70. Another one we already have discussed on the New Zealand dollar. It's still yet to start working based on our setup. We just wait when the market will hit the predefined target and predefined level where a reversal has big chances to happen. And today we will talk on the Australian dollar. So all of them are commodities, currencies, and as you can see, the commodities just shows the miserable drop across the board. So the crude oil is falling, iron ore, precious metals. So all commodities right now is significantly depressed. Mostly it's the lack of inflation. They are not really interesting because there are other assets that could provide investors with a better return. So that's why it's demand for them. Also, as you know, the economy in China is chill out a bit and slow down. That also impact on the investor sentiment and force them to reassess overall demand on the commodities, and that's why also this is not really supportive factor for a commodity market. So this will be also the setup that we'll be watching closely because it has the long potential in terms of the trend, in terms of the time where this setup will work, because it's mostly forming on the high time frame charts, and this setup could give us a direction for the significant period, so we could trade it really for a considerable period of time. And this setup probably will start from this butterfly that we see right now on the daily Australian dollar. Since market already has passed through the 127 extension of this butterfly, the next logical destination point stands right here, is 1618. It's around 171.40 area. That will be also the daily reversal. Okay. So the first glance, you could say, guys, you could say, what's the big deal with the butterfly? Yes, we see the butterflies day by day on different markets. We see a lot of the butterflies. Why these butterflies are important and so interesting? But to understand this totally, to see the whole picture, you need to take a look at the monthly chart. And that's, guys, the very good example why we have to analyze why we have to look at the high time frames to see where we are in the big picture. So let's see on the monthly chart. You will understand what I'm talking about. The monthly chart, guys, market is approaching to the major fib support 71.80 area. This is in fact the last major fib support on the monthly chart, because it's based on the major reaction point, major low of 2000 on the millennium, 2000 even. So this is the really significant low, and this is significant fib support. Also, guys, this is not really a big deal, but this is will be the yearly pivot support 2. So market already has passed through the all yearly pivot points. That is minor yearly pivot support 2. It also stands at 71.66. It's in the same area. So we see that market is approaching to the major support, and market is forming on the daily chart reversal pattern. It means that here some reaction could follow. If even, guys, we will apply here use the minor retracement that happens on the monthly chart, you'll see the potential in this bounce will be approximately 600 pips. So it's a minor reaction. If we will suggest that market will show some even significant bounce here, so you can imagine what really could happen. So that's why this is very important setup. So right now we have in our baggage 3 setups. One of them already stands in the progress, it's Canadian, and 2 of them, the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar, should start soon. All of them have significant potential for trading. We see the major picture, but it could generate a lot of minor setups on the way of this retracement. We will get the multiple setup day by day, multiple patrons. It's really very promising and thrilling situation. So that's probably all that we could say today on the forex markets. On the other markets, not really significant action. Let's see what we'll get on the next week.